Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to download IPTV Smarters Pro on your FireStick for all your streaming needs. On your FireStick, go to Settings, select My Fire TV, and click on Developer Options. Enable apps from unknown sources to allow third-party installations. Next, go to the Amazon App Store and search for the Downloader app. Install it, as this will help us get IPTV Smarters Pro onto the Fire Stick. Open the Downloader app and enter the URL for IPTV Smarters Pro's APK file. You can find this URL on their official website or trusted sources online. Download the file and install it. Now once installed, go back to your home screen and launch IPTV Smarters Pro. You will need to log in using your IPTV service provider's credentials to access content. And that is how you get IPTV Smarters Pro app and running on your Fire Stick. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.